How to hide last seen on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can hide Viber last seen. For that, launch your Viber application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now on this page at the bottom, you will find 4 different icons. Click on that more icon at the right bottom. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. From this section, here find settings option and tab on it. Once you do so, you will reach to this page. From here, find the privacy option and tab on it. Now you will reach to this page. Here on the third, you will find send scene status, which is currently turned on. Now to hide it, you just simply have to tap on this button. Now this will hide other scene status from you. So in this way, you can hide last seen on Viber. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.